Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with a Scrapbook.com haul because yes, I was back at Scrapbook.com. I tell you, lately they've just been having all these sales and the giveaways too. One time I think I got 4 giveaways in one order, but I did recently receive 2 orders here. Let's get started. First, I wanted to show you from my orders, I got 2 pads. So first pad was this slimline Christmas smooth cardstock. So hey, can't go wrong with slimline cardstock in nice colors. Ready for Christmas. Perfect for die cutting too. All these great, and it's double-sided. And also they gave me this one too. The next order was the peppermint. I think this is A2. 4 1/4, 5 1/2. So this is an A2 size. This is slimline size. Not fun. So this one is like a more fun, modern Christmas, which I love both ways. Oh, love, 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 love. And it's on 85-pound cardstock. Great for die cutting or layering, making matte layers for your cards. And ready to go, you just peel and go. Alrighty, so that's one, peppermint, and the other one, Christmas. They have all different themes and styles. I'll put a link for that. Next, if you guys watched my back in stock video on scrapbook.com right now, I believe the stamp is sold out. I know I told you guys definitely get the die if you're going to get one out of the set. The die is still in stock. Hot foil plate, you could get the stamp somewhere else. I did Saturday morning makes where I showed it here on 2 cards. Happy birthday and you're a great friend. 1 big stamp. Cuts out all these sentiments ready to go. Also at scrapbook.com. Scrapbook.com storage envelopes are back in stock. Yay, I placed my order. This one is the medium size. And I also ordered the large. Large is 7 by 10. I think this is 6 3/4 by 8 3/4. The medium. Both of those sizes are the ones I use to store all my sets like this. PinkFresh Studio sets, Spellbinders sets, anything that needs to be stored in a pile together. Jaded Blossom, all those gnome dies. It took a while to come back, but I am so glad it came back because love these, love these. So I did order mine and they're back in stock if you're interested and on sale. So I will put a link for the storage envelope. Moving on. I had done a video with Spellbinders. Spellbinders has sent me some items to play with their recent Christmas, call it a Christmas in July release. I don't know if that's the proper name, but it's like 5 different subsets within that release. Well, there were some dies that I did not get. So I went ahead and ordered them from scrapbook.com and they arrived. The main one, the out the door runaway hit. I'm not sure if it's in stock. I know a few people were like, oh, gotta get this one. Parcel and Post Mailbox. I showed you the one I got was the letterbox. Adorable. This one is the Postbox Fabulous die set. So here's my letterbox die. So there's 2. There is letterbox that you can make or you can do the mailbox. This is a time when, yes, I'd put both of these into a scrapbook.com storage envelope as a set for storage. Just to know that I have all this mailbox goodness that can go all year round, both of them, or definitely for holidays. And the florals in here, here's a picture for it, are pretty much year round. You see it? It's not so 100% holiday, and I've been playing with it. So you will see a video coming soon with the Parcel and Post Mailbox. This one, letterbox. So you could use the Christmas blooms dies to play with this, or the, is it mini blooms? Super duper cute set. Let me give you the measurement on the mailbox. Mailbox 3 3/4 by 3. Just love, 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 love. Perfect to cut out with all of these. Look at all the colors that you could have your mailbox. As fun as you want or as traditional as you want. And then the glimmer plates that I receive. This set. This now I do have. So that's one of the reasons why I definitely wanted to get the mailbox myself. I did purchase this myself, was to then put it on here. But this is just one of those really, really nice sets. And a lot of mailbox dies are usually more of a 3D mailbox die. This one, how you turn it more dimensional would be popping it up, but overall it's flat, which I like. It looks like it has a lot of movement, and as you can see, as soon as I got it, I already put it in an envelope. So happy by all of this stuff all the extras that I ordered. I'm like, prepared it already. I've been playing with it. I just don't have a sample ready to show you yet. All right. The sister to it, again, see, this is why I'm telling you. Scrapbookcom storage envelope. Yeah, I could put the whole set. I would go the bigger one though, the 7x10 size to store the whole thing. Because then you have the Parcel and Post Christmas decorations. So this now gives you all of this goodness for that. All year round, happy birthday. Here, Christmas. Look at that. This now you could use for a bunch of candy cane for anything. I like candy cane dies that have the shadow and this part, and they layer up perfectly. So there's no shadow with an outline. It's just, this makes it easy to make that peppermint or that candy cane. Some dies you have to inlay back these things in different colors. Oh, that drives me insane. I can't stand that. But I love this. Easy. Piece of pine, some goodies. Here's some layering on it. I guess that's holly berries, holly leaves, and a cute bow, and then a star. Super duper cute. There's the bow. And this week, expect me to be playing with it. Oh, and there's the envelope. So you can always have envelopes. You know, you could just do envelopes only. I showed you guys the love. Here's the love add-on for the mailbox. So this would be 3 sets I would put in an envelope. This would be love. It comes with the word love and the hearts popping out of this. Yeah, I don't have it on me, but I'll put a link for it so you can see the whole set. Super duper cute. And of course there is letterbox or mailbox. I love this, love this, love this. Yes, it's a certain theme, but it's a good theme. Well thought out again. Also, I ordered this Parcel and Post Sentiment. So I have Parcel and Post Glimmer hot foil plates, and now they also have Parcel and Post sentiments. Some of these sentiments are the same as the hot foil, and then some of them on here are different. The price point on this wasn't so bad, so I went with both because I just wanted to have options for the sentiment part here. The hot foil will have Sending Holiday Sparkle, Letters for Santa, but then there's other parts here that are not in the hot foil plate. So if you want to maximize the sentiments, that can go on this or on your tags. Get this too. Super duper cute. Okay? And I'll go further into it when I do my video with the mailbox done and I'll have all my stuff together. Next, I did order this one. As you can see, I haven't opened up this one yet. Winter Welcome Sled. Love. Super duper cute. Love the skates, the sled, and the embellishment. This now is a different set. The Peace and Joy, I believe that's their mix and match holidays. It's a whole bunch of sentiments. That I did not get. I could only get so much, guys. So I didn't get that one. But here's the sled. The sled measures 4, let's say 4 by 2. The skate, nice cute skate for anything. Cards, little tag. 1, what was that? 1 1/4 by 1. And that poinsettia. I've seen this poinsettia used on other examples with Spellbinder projects, and this thing is so cute. It's just a simple little poinsettia, but it's different than the other ones that I have. But I love that this set gives you even more to play with. So all these embellishments, they can all mix and match and have fun together. Love that, because that increases your options and that gives you more value to what you purchased, because you could use these blooms and all of this without either one of these bases. Just lay out flowers on a card or make a little note card and Merry Christmas sentiment and pop these in. Done. You see? Tell you there's some engineering going on here. Somebody's like, wait a second, let's throw some little bonuses in there. Do you want it to only stay with the sled? No, they can use it for other things. Okay. I look at dies like that because I can use it outside of this. Sometimes I really do like to keep my dies together. The envelopes. That's why I always tell you guys that I really love this, because the envelopes help me to bundle everything together. Then I'll know when I pull out the mailbox set, I may store this with this, and I'll see this with that. Next, embossing folder. Oversized embossing folder. This is not a 3D embossing folder. This is 2D. Love. Dazzling dots. Hello, hello, hello. Love this one. Oh, she is good. She goes with a lot of stuff. I have shown you I think it was the beveled diamonds. And lastly, there is something going on right now with swatching. A few companies have a lot of ink swatching products. So I saw this one at Scrapbookcom. Picket Fence Studio ink swatching. Catherine Pooler has one too. I will put a link for it. I wasn't going to order it, and then I looked at the solid stamping and I was thinking, you know what? It's not a bad price point. Hers comes with, you would get the die with it. I'll put a picture here of the set. And you can then do solid stamping. But what I liked about this one, you could just cut strips of cardstock, stamp this. What hers doesn't have that this one does have: ink type, dye, pigment, hybrid, oxide, other, size, cube, pad, or both, color name, and ink brand. This one is more general. The one for Catherine Pooler is more for Catherine Pooler inks. Then look at all these solids that you can stamp. I could cut this right here and just do the heart. But isn't this nice? I think this is so nice. You could also do just a regular sheet of paper and then write down what it is. But I do like that it gives me the option to put dye or oxide, because I have a lot of Tim Holtz dye ink, oxide, and every time he introduces a new ink, I'm now having to add them onto my Tim Holtz color chart, which is one big sheet. This I could just make my own and flip and then add the new colors. Super cute. Not a bad price point for this either. So Picket Fence Studio. Alrighty, crafters, that's all the goodies. Always check for Scrapbookcom freebies. Don't forget, you have to add them to your cart. They don't automatically add to your cart, so always keep that in mind. And check out all the Spellbinders goodness, Parcel and Post, and Glitter Wishes, and ooh, it's just so good. There you go, thumbs up on that one too. Alrighty, crafters, on to the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.